This is your Mecklenburg Minute. Public Health Director Gibby Harris wants us to stay especially safe during Thanksgiving.
Our data is showing us what we expected to see this fall. Our numbers across the board are going up right now. We are averaging about 350 new cases a day, whereas at the end of October we were at close to 84. Our percent positivity rate is up around 7.8%, and again that was around 4.5. And our hospitalizations are closing in on their peak back when we had the most cases in July and August. At this point, what I would recommend is for people to either go to the county website, and that's mecnc.gov/COVID-19, or to call our hotline at 980-314-9400. Many people are going to the state website. Unfortunately, that is not up to date and they're getting inaccurate information. Yes, there are ways to do it. It's not the traditional ways that we celebrate Thanksgiving. Number one, I want to reinforce the mask wearing that the governor talked about yesterday at his press conference. Anytime you are out of your house, or even if you're in your house but you're around people that you normally don't live with, you should be wearing a mask. And that's for everyone except children under the age of 2 or individuals who have a health reason not to wear a mask. But most people should be wearing a mask, regardless, whether they're inside, outside. That's what we need folks to do. You can do virtual Thanksgivings, where you have the opportunity to interface with your family. I have a 98-year-old mother-in-law. We're all FaceTiming with her on Thanksgiving Day. You can celebrate with your immediate family. But if you're going to try to do more than that, there are things that you can do. You can eat outside, socially distanced, wearing a mask when you're not eating or drinking, limiting the amount of time you're together, not sharing utensils, maybe even bringing your own food, but at least looking for ways to be safe while you're doing that. Traveling. People should not be traveling right now. This is not a safe time to be doing that. There are no safe places in our country at this point. We have widespread COVID everywhere, so traveling is not a good idea. And if you are traveling, we had asked people to be tested before the holidays. They may need to consider being tested after as well, because of potential exposure, either on a train or a plane or wherever they're happening to go. And at the very least, you should not be around people who are at high risk. You should really limit that. It's hard not to have grandmother, grandfather, folks like that, or people who have diabetes, heart disease with you on Thanksgiving, but those are not safe situations in any way. Be safe, wear your mask, social distance, wash your hands, and don't share utensils and food.
From all of us, have a happy and safe Thanksgiving.